Good morning, children. You know rainy season is going on. So today we will draw an umbrella in the sketchbook. Okay, children? First of all, we will write date in the upper corner like this. Now we will draw an umbrella. First of all, we will draw sleeping line. Then we will draw a semicircle like this. Then we will put one dot in the center of the semicircle and make a small circle over there. In the same way, we put one dot in the center of the sleeping line and two dots on both sides of it. Okay. Now we will draw standing lines in the middle of the sleeping line like this. And we will join them with a U shape to make the handle of the umbrella like this. Okay, children. Now we will draw small curves like this. Now we will make small curves like this, and now we will draw slanting curves like this. Our umbrella is looking beautiful. Okay, children. Now we will do outlining. We will take black color and do outline like this. But remember, color should not go out. Okay, like this. Wow, it is looking beautiful. In the same way we will do here also. We will do the outline of handle also. And now we will erase this extra line with the help of eraser. Slowly we will erase it. Take care that it should not get spoiled. Okay. Now we will do coloring. First of all, we will do black color in the handle of umbrella like this. We will always color in one direction. Okay, children? Always keep in mind that color should not come out. Very good. I'm enjoying. I'm sure you must be enjoying. See. Now we will do color in this portion. We will take red color and do it in the small circle like this. Now we will take pink color and do in this portion. We will do color in one direction only. We will start from upside and we will go downwards. like this. Now we will take yellow color. Wow, it is looking beautiful. Now we will take purple color. This is purple color. Now we will take green color. See, our umbrella is becoming multicolored. It is looking very nice. Very good. Now we will take one more color, blue color. Children, you know rainy season is going on, so always carry an umbrella with you when you go out. Okay. Now we will take peach color and do in this portion. Now children, you know how to draw an umbrella. Do practice it at home with the help of your parents. Thank you children. Bye bye children.